So a little Saturday night cooking here. We're gonna do a seafood paella. Bon appetit. Seafood paella, you need some seafood of course, but you need also peppers, onions, garlic. Be generous on it. It's all about the good flavors. So garlic, peppers, onions that we're gonna let simmer in olive oil. So the peppers are nicely sauteed with the garlic, and now is all about the rice. So you put the rice. So you have to use, to make a good paella, you have to use a real Spanish rice, not a risotto, not a long grain rice. It's got to be the real rice. And I count about a half cup per person of rice. Okay, so voila. So we want to toast the rice a little bit. And this is the secret of a good paella is right there. It's that step right here. It's gotta be just done right. Now I'm gonna add my chorizo in there. So I just use a regular Spanish dry cured chorizo. Now we're gonna put our first part of the seafood. So I have some squid, wonderful calamari squid. At this point also we're gonna put the tomato. Tomato and parsley, very important. And you wanna have a little bit of that crispiness underneath because a good paella has a little crispiness. So we're gonna mix that all together. We don't want it burned, just a little crispy. So now we're gonna deglaze with the fish stock. So I had a fish broth. That was, you can buy it or you can make it with a little saffron, paprika in there. So it's got a little bit of that yellowy and smoked flavor. So you cover up, it's gotta be covered up. We need a lot of liquids. Then I'm gonna place the rest of my seafood. So of course, very important, we need prawns, mussels. Let's just go and put the mussel a little bit everywhere. The seafood cooking in the pot is gonna really give the flavor. And then because we like to spoil our friends tonight, we're gonna put lobster. You don't have to. Finish up, we're gonna sear our fish. We got some beautiful halibut, scallops, just throw in there. And saute. I like to put the fish at last so it's not overcooked. So here's our white fish that we're just gonna place on top of that. So halibut, scallops. I'm gonna put that, we're nearly cooked. We're gonna put that a couple more minutes in the oven just to reheat everything. I just went out of the oven, ready to go. We're gonna garnish with a little bit of lemon. Voila. Easy to do at home, all in one pot dish. And bon appetit.